everyone. So first of all, I wish you happy Ugadi everyone. So today I woke up early morning and I started doing preparation for this festival. So I don't know how many people know this festival Ugadi, but according to us, what we celebrate is a new year. New year means new era for us who people celebrate Ugadi festival. According to Hindu calendar, today is the starting day of the calendar, means year. So today we also celebrate as New Year, and mostly people get money this month and they start for New Year. They begin their New Year. So today I also started doing my preparation for the festival as I was alone. So doing a little bit and following little bit our ritual. First of all, I started cleaning and doing the formalities. Later, I have ordered something for sweet. Then I started making sweet for the god so that I can keep as a prasad. First, I made dal. This is a basic thing which we do in the festival day, but mostly people follow their own dishes. But as of now, I'm alone and cooking my known food. So this is the main food which we cook, main sweet which we could cook for the god and goddess. So I started mixing atta and maida. Then I started making sweet. Instead of sugar, I am using jaggery. Good. So then I've started making sweet, but I am doing it for the first time. I don't know how to do. I started making by watching in YouTube channel. So I started making like this. I hope you, and it was very good. After doing this, it became very awesome. Even it was the first time I did it well. I can rate it as 5 or 6 out of 10. So I started making that. According to us, going to temple, doing puja and making sweet is a thing which we follow on the festival day. So this is the main sweet which we keep for the god or goddess on that day. Mostly in Telangana, AP and Karnataka, people celebrate this festival. So we also celebrate, as I'm a Telangana girl, so we also celebrate this festival. And I started making this sweet. Later I did it like this. Actually, I did it for the first time and I'm unable to believe how it was. Later, this was a main sweet which we should prepare for the Ugadi festival. This is mix of 6 items, means 6 flavors you should get on the day, so that your year will be like 6 types of things you face in your life that year. So we should add jaggery water, lemon water or imli water, then some sweet, hot, bitter and 6 flavors you should add in the bowl, and you should keep it for that some time in a rest mode. Then you should have it after some time. So then I started doing puja. This was the items I made for the prasad. Then I started doing puja. Actually, I'm so sorry because my voice is literally not good. I'm suffering with throat infection and cold because I had so much sweet yesterday. So please, I'm so sorry. Forgive for that and enjoy the video. मल्लिगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेधिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कीर्तिशमोषिणि घोषरते तनुजविरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि हरिब्रह्मा शिवरी मोंग सिंदूर विराजत को मृगमद को उज्ज्वल से दो नैना चंद्र बदलनी को कनक समा And finally, I've completed my puja. So after that, I started breaking coconut. A big disaster happened here. Actually, I don't know how to break that without a stone. I have a small stone, but what happened is I kept a cover, then I kept stone, then I started making breaking that coconut. Actually, what happened is the two tiles was broken there. I didn't expect actually. I know it was not that strong to break, but that happened yesterday. I was so sad by that. An owner don't know, so if he knows, I don't know what he will do. So that happened. I don't know how many people do puja like this, but as we do like this, I also did like this at my room in Delhi, and at home also we do follow the same process. That's why I did the same process at Delhi. Hope you do like this and share with me how do you do puja on this day. And not people do celebrate Navaratri, I know. Hey guys, happy Ugadi andarki. So thank you so much for watching my video till end. అండ్ ఇప్పుడే నా పూజ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. అండ్ చెప్పాలి అని అంటే లైఫ్లో ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను ఇన్ని హవర్స్ ఒక పూజ పైన కూర్చున్నాను. లిటరల్లీ నేను పూజ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేశాను, లిటరల్లీ 1:17 అవుతుంది. ఇట్స్ బీన్ 1.5 hours నేను పూజ పైన కూర్చున్నాను ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం చెప్పాలి అని అంటే. అండ్ ఇక్కడ చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్క స్వీట్ కానీ ప్రతి ఒక్క ఐటమ్ కానీ నేను చేసింది ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఇఫ్ ఐ కుడ్ సే, నేను ఈ స్వీట్ అయితే ఎప్పుడు చేయలేదు. అండ్ ఎంత రౌండ్గా వచ్చింది అని అంటే ఐ ఫీల్స్ సో క్యూట్. అండ్ ఇది కూడా నేను ఎప్పుడు చేయలేదు, సారీ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ చేసా. అండ్ ఇది కూడా నేను ఇప్పుడే చేసా ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం. అండ్ ఇది కూడా ఫస్ట్ టైం చేసా నేను. సో అన్నీ ఫస్ట్ టైం చేసా బికాస్ నాకు ఎందుకో చేయాలి అని అనిపించింది, అందుకే చేసా. అండ్ పూజ కూడా చేసేసా. సో యా, అండ్ పూజ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు 1:17 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి నా పూజ ఫిల్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి. సో ఇప్పుడైతే లంచ్ చేస్తాను. నేను బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ కూడా ఏం చేయలేదు, డైరెక్ట్ బ్రంచ్ చేసేస్తా. ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా నాకు కాలేజ్ ఉంది, కాలేజ్కి కూడా వెళ్ళాలి. 1:30కి తొందర తినేసి కాలేజ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. యా, that's all for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys, take care.